Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, bright white clear coat, electric shift on the fly transfer case, spray and bed liner, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT 275/70 EBSWS, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, and engine, 6.4L heavy-duty V8 Hemi with MDS, STD. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to